Machine learning, ML, is a captivating concept in the realm of artificial intelligence, and understanding it doesn't require a technical background. Simply put, ML is like teaching a computer to learn from experience, akin to how humans learn from their past. Consider how you train a pet, like a dog. When you repeatedly show it a stick and say stick, the dog learns to associate the word with the object. Machine learning works in a similar manner. We feed computers a lot of data, like repeatedly showing the stick, and they learn to recognize patterns and make decisions based on that data. To illustrate, let's take an example from the movies. In The Terminator, Skynet is an AI system that learns and makes decisions autonomously. Though it's a far-fetched and dystopian portrayal, it gives us a glimpse into how AI can process and learn from vast amounts of information. Another everyday example is your phone's spell checker. This tool is a product of ML. It has been trained with lots of text, learning to recognize correct and incorrect spellings. When you type, it predicts and corrects errors based on its learned knowledge. Consider the way streaming services like Netflix recommend movies and shows. They analyze your viewing habits and compare them with those of millions of other viewers. By learning what people with similar tastes enjoy, the system suggests what you might like next. Imagine the sorting hat in Harry Potter. It learns about each student's personality and places them in the appropriate house. This is akin to classification in ML, where data is sorted into different categories. Face recognition on your phone is another example of ML in action. Your phone has learned to identify the unique features of your face by analyzing thousands of images. In sports, ML is like a coach that has watched thousands of games. By studying past matches, it can predict strategies or outcomes, aiding teams in planning their tactics. The essence of ML is not in programming computers to perform tasks but in teaching them to learn and make decisions from data, much like giving them a brain that learns from experiences, improves over time, and makes predictions or decisions based on that learning. In summary, machine learning is an influential and constantly evolving field, impacting everything from your daily phone interactions to entertainment. It's about enabling machines to learn from data, make informed decisions, and continually enhance their capabilities, mirroring human learning but at a significantly faster and more complex scale. The potential of ML is vast and exciting, just like the imaginative scenarios in movies, but it's grounded in reality and ethical considerations.